The Gravina's Window Center of Littleton, we have such a unique story.
Our lovely journey began in 1973 when Jim announced, I'm going to create a business. So he got busy doing that, and I got busy creating a home and building our family, which became our future workforce.
And the 7 of us kids are fortunate enough to walk into a situation where it's a pretty well-oiled machine. And with 17 grandkids, it's actually our duty to be able to do that for the next generation and for the community.
The quality of our employees, I mean, just who they are as people on a personal level.
I think just being around for 50 years, we have actual firsthand knowledge of how windows hold up, what performs well, what doesn't perform well, because we've installed all of them. That firsthand knowledge sets us apart from everybody that walks into a house.
A lot of our core values that are pretty important to us go back to you do the right thing, period.
This is probably about 20 years. We get our windows from Infinity from Marvin. They're made in Fargo, and they had a gigantic snowstorm hit Fargo. So they called and said, the snow is too deep, we can't make it, we can't get our trucks out. And of course, the problem we had is we had customers waiting for their windows, and we had employees that were looking to keep busy. I went to my sons and I said, I need help. We're going to go to Fargo. We're going to pick up our windows. We're going to bring them back to Denver so our customers are happy and our employees have work. So we got in this great big U-Haul truck, drove all the way to Fargo, loaded our windows, came back.
In the snowstorm.
In the snowstorm.
Our installation crews are absolutely phenomenal. The guys that we send into your home, they're great.
We're about installing correctly, doing the right thing. We take out all the trim. We basically do a full frame installation. We want to do it right. We want you to be happy with the outcome of the product. And I think that's one of the biggest things that differentiates us.
One company that came in and had a real knowledge and a grasp of what our house needed. But the bottom line was they really had product knowledge to explain to us and have us make a sound decision.
Everybody that worked here, we almost became friends with after a while. It was a good experience.
Yeah.
We want everything just to move as seamlessly and smooth as possible. So when we're done with the job, you sit back and you look at everything like, wow, well done, guys.
Everything we do in God's name. And if we continue to do that, we're going to be around a very long time.
If we had it to do over again, we'd do it just like this.